on the rear of the tank to the max position to begin dispensing cleaning solution on the floor. Walk the system through the area to be cleaned, dispensing cleaning solution on the floor in a U-shaped pattern. Be sure to apply enough cleaning solution to cover the area. When you return to the starting point, turn the spigot to the off position and place the unit just beyond the cleaning area. Now, grab the speed spreader tool and walk to the top of the U. Spread the cleaning solution across the entire surface of the floor, working your way back to the system. Walk backwards while spreading the cleaning solution across the floor, staying on the inside of the U, which will be a dry floor. When you reach the dispense and vac system, tap the spreader on the floor a few times to loosen any debris. Once the cleaning solution has been spread, plug the vacuum into an electrical outlet. Now attach the vacuum wand to the vacuum hose and turn the vacuum motor on. Now vacuum an area around the system to provide a clean, dry surface to lay the vacuum hose. Then unwrap the rest of the vacuum hose and lay it on the dry floor. Begin vacuuming the floor starting at the system and working your way to the furthest point from the system. On grouted tile floors, vacuum at an angle to the grout line for best results. Be sure to vacuum up all cleaning solution from the floor as you go, leaving the floor clean and dry. If you encounter stubborn soils, flip the squeegee head over and scrub the area with the brush head to loosen the soils. Then flip the head over and continue vacuuming. The vacuum wand can be easily maneuvered into tight spaces to assist in cleaning hard-to-reach areas. As you vacuum, take care to remove all of the cleaning solution that was spread across the floor. When you are finished vacuuming, tap the vacuum head on the floor a few times and then turn it upside down and tap it a few times to loosen any debris that may be left in the wand. Return to the vacuum and disconnect the vacuum hose from the vacuum wand. Wrap the vacuum hose back onto the system, leaving the vacuum running to avoid spilling any cleaning solution in the hose. Once the hose is wrapped on the system, turn off the vacuum, unplug the electrical cord from the outlet, and wrap the cord back onto the system.